If you're seeing a Gamma app install error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and safest way to fix it. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Now let's get into it. First, the most important thing to know is that Gamma is not something you should be downloading, as in .exe, .dmg, or mobile.app file from random websites. If you see a download like that, stop right there. Gamma runs directly in your web browser, so the safest way to use it is to open a trusted browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Apple Safari, and go straight to the official website at gamma.app. Once you're on the official site, everything should load instantly in the browser. There is no traditional installer needed for the main app experience. A lot of install errors happen because people try to install Gamma the wrong way, or they click on a fake download link that isn't official. So if your install is failing, the first fix is to make sure you're using the browser version from the real Gamma website. Next, if you want Gamma to feel like a desktop app, you can install it as a progressive web app, or PWA. This is basically a shortcut app that sits on your desktop and opens like its own window. In Chrome or Edge, look at the top right area of your address bar. You may see a small computer icon or an install option. Click that, and your browser should offer to install Gamma as an app shortcut. If that install option does not appear, or if you get an error, the next thing to check is your browser version. Older browsers can fail to support modern PWA installation features, which means the install button may not work correctly. So go to your browser settings and make sure Chrome, Edge, or Safari is fully updated to the latest version. After updating, restart the browser and go back to gamma.app. Then try the install process again. In many cases, that's all it takes. Open the site, wait for it to fully load, and then use the browser's install option again. If you're still having trouble, clear your cache, close extra tabs, and make sure browser extensions are not blocking the install prompt. The key takeaway here is simple. Gamma is web-based first. Use the official browser site, avoid unofficial downloads, and update your browser before trying to install the PWA shortcut. That will solve most Gamma app install errors quickly and safely. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.